When it comes to idyllic tropical islands, nothing has more appeal than a coral atoll. An island protected by essentially what is an island of shallow, gorgeous water, a lagoon ringed by a coral habitat. From above, there's a magnetism to this type of island. It stands out, a beach sand oasis in a vast deep blue ocean. It must have a story to tell. Oino Island is one such coral atoll. It's part of the Pitcairn Islands, a sparsely populated British overseas territory. The atoll has a few bits of land, the smallest of which can hardly be considered an islet. The largest island is home to a population of Murphy's petrels, a seabird that calls this desert island home. A number of ships were wrecked here throughout the 19th century, and it's not surprising. With inconsistent nautical charts and the low elevation of the sand and shrubs, it was easily missed. In 1858, a clipper coming from San Francisco crashed into the coral reef before it was even noticed. Captain Josiah Knowles and his crew, shaken up by the experience, made their way onto the island where they set up tents and scrounged up food of bird eggs and crabs. After a week, the captain and second mate set out for Pitcairn Island in hopes of returning with a replacement vessel. They made it to Bounty Bay, but their boat crashed against the rocks and was completely obliterated. After some time, discouraged and out of options, they ended up deciding to build another vessel using what they had access to. The whole shipbuilding process took about a half a year and was challenged by frequent storms and lack of resources. They named it the John Adams and set sail with fruit and meat on board for a journey of several months. Ultimately, Captain Knowles sold his ship and continued on to Tahiti, but the second mate returned to Oino on the Visalia to rescue the rest of the crew that were stranded there. For them, I'm sure this coral atoll was less than idyllic.